Okay, so let's go ahead and get them open. There's a bunch of them in here. And we'll take a look at each one. We'll just pick one at a time. Because there's so many of them. Oh, wow. All right, so here we go. You ready? First flag, Memorial Day, right? Check it out. All right, that's one, Memorial Day. Uh-oh. Hey, look at this. Are you ready? Happy New Year. Check it out. Happy New Year. Put that one over there. All right, what do we got here? Happy Labor Day. Huh? What do you think? All right, we're getting there. Veterans Day. Least we forget. Okay. Uh-oh, check this out. Hello, Winter. Hello, Winter. Hello, Winter. Slide these over a little bit. Whoops. Put that there. That way I can do it this way. Oh, this is nice. Look at this one. Happy birthday. Huh? Put her over here. All right. Hello, Summer. Hello, Summer. How's Summer doing? Over here. Uh-oh. Happy Valentine's Day. Yep. Happy Valentine's Day. All right. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Right? Double-sided, too. They're pretty nice. Oh, look at this one. Favorite holiday? Happy Halloween. Oh, hello, fall. How are you? Uh-oh. Happy Father's Day. Huh? Happy Father's Day. Wait a minute. This one's coming up. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Both sides, right? Uh-oh. For all of my Irish friends, check it out. St. Patrick's Day. Home sweet home. Right? Happy Mother's Day. Oh, shoot. I mean, they got one for every day. Uh-oh. Check it out. Time for the Super Bowl. I'm not sure what teams those are, but. And then, bam, born on the 4th of July. Boop, boop. And hey, hello, spring. Hello. Hello, spring. Bam, done. And oh, here's my favorite. Happy Easter. Woo! All right, so you can put these out, and I'm not sure how they work. I think you have to you've got to have one of these little poles that go in here like this. It slides in like that, and then you just stick it in the ground. And so we'll have to do that with one of these. We'll probably do the Merry Christmas one, right? You know? Labor Day they even have. Happy New Year. We got to keep that one out because we're going to need that one, right? So I'm going to put that one over here, and then we'll put this one right here. All right, so that's it, man. Those are your garden flags. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.